Hi friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 78 and eyedropper fountain pen. And this is an orange color marble finished body, and the pen has a silver trim set where the clip is in silver color and there is a silver ring on the cap, and the brand's name Wality also stamped here. And the pen held on the cap body with the thread mechanism, so you have to unscrew for opening. And this is number 4 nib with a medium tip with golden plated one. And if you want to swap, you can swap with any other number 4 nibs, as we have in many brands, but usually pen enthusiasts will swap with the candid nibs, as we have uh, fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone, and silver plated nibs in this brand. And for that, you can go to our site and click pen spash, then go to nibs. Then there you can find a use a filter, and you can also make a query on what you require. And here the holding area is a smaller one, and this is highly recommended pen for little fingers like school going children. And also the reservoir capacity is more. You can fill more than 3 ml of inks. This is a very good workhorse pen. And also please note the maintenance is important. So on pen maintenance, please wash the pen with uh, water regularly, at least twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on longer run, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, and in return you will get scratchy writing, or the ink will dry quickly, and then you have to shake your pens for the ink flow to come out. So this is because of the blockage in the feeder. So to clean the deposits and the dirts, you can easily remove this nib feeder unit. Like you have to hold this and hold and uh, twist and pull. Yeah, let me do. Yeah, this is so simple. Here it comes out easily from the grip area. This is a simple 2 minutes process. Then you can again fix this back. Yep. And then you flush the feeder with the help of toothbrush, or clean it with soap water or tap water. If you're soaking in soap water, allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And in the ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. So here I'm giving the sample too. In Brill bottle, yeah, it is given clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. Yeah, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again on maintenance, the thread, yeah, all the threads are turned to worn out. So to increase the life of the threads, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing the grip area during the ink fill. And also never whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads that you can find inside the barrel. So if you fill in excess, the leakage path will be created and you will spoil your hands. So, and then the nib fine tuning. Few nibs need to fine tune because during manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down so that a space is created. Yep. So that a space is created, and which allows a good flow of ink, and in turn you will get a smooth writing. And please ensure both ends are in parallel. If not, you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen, we used to do this and all. We do to nib tune and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And here let me give a writing sample. For that I'm using our emerald green ink, Penhouse dot ins emerald green. Here I'm dipping and draining the excess. This nib is so smooth, like butter. Yes. Okay. If you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can call us. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.